guide, I'll show you how to send WhatsApp message using Twilio in just a few simple steps. First, head over to twilio.com and sign up for an account if you haven't already. After verifying your account, go to the console and navigate to messaging, then select Try WhatsApp. Copy the unique join code and send it to Twilio WhatsApp number to activate the sandbox. Next, install Twilio's helpful library for Node.js. Type the following in your terminal. And here's the code to send your message. Replace your account SID authentication token and phone numbers with your own details from the Twilio console. Run the code and your message will be sent to your WhatsApp number instantly. Now you can see the message SID in the console if it's successful. And that's it. You just learned how to send a WhatsApp message using Twilio easy and fast.